Today you'll take vocabulary quiz number 1 in language arts. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. Here are the words that we'll focus on this week. Colossal. I'm going to read across. Abduct. Flounder. Gorillas. Buffoon. In the second row, we have bizarre, elegant, culture, goad, and inhabit. Number 1. Please write the word on the line that fits with the definition. And remember, spelling counts because you can copy them from the word bank. Number 1 is a noun. This is one who amuses with jokes and tricks, a bumbling or ridiculous person. I'm going to try number 1 again. This is a noun. It's one who amuses with jokes and tricks, a bumbling or ridiculous person, or someone who is thought to be a fool. Number 2, this word is an adjective. It means gigantic or huge. Number 3, this word is a noun. It's members of an irregular military force operating in small bands behind enemy lines. Number 4, this word is a verb. It means to kidnap or to carry off by force. Number 5, this word is a verb. It means to move clumsily or to struggle or proceed with difficulty. It's also, when used as a noun, it's the name of a flat fish. Number 6, this word is an adjective. It means unusual or weird. Number 7, this word is a noun. It's the developed pattern of one's knowledge, beliefs, and behaviors over your lifetime or through your family. Number 8, this word is an adjective. Characterized or exhibiting elegance or excellence. Number 9, this word is a verb. It means to live or to dwell in. Number 10 is a verb. It means to urge, prick, or push, or anything that does prick, prod, or urge. For numbers 11 to 15, you need to choose any 5 of your vocabulary words from this week's list. Write each of them in a sentence on the back of the paper. That sentence needs to show that you know the meaning of the word in context. It does not mean that you write the definition of the word. It's not blank means you actually use the word as you might use it in a sentence in everyday language, but it needs to be used in a way that we know what it means, that you know what it means. And then when you do that, you underline that vocabulary word in the sentence. Make sure you use proper punctuation, capitalize the beginning of sentences, punctuate at the end, and underline that vocabulary word. Please choose 5 words from the list that you're as certain as possible that you correctly knew the definition.